We are now on the drug legalization homepage. At the top of the homepage is a summary of the issue written by the Gale Publishing Company. Click the Read More link to see the complete survey. The summary is an objective overview of the issue with links to additional information. For example, if we click the marijuana link, it shows us related articles to the topic of marijuana and drug legalization. In addition to summarizing the issue, this section also includes pros and cons to help you see both sides. The summary is divided into sections to further explain specific aspects of the issue. When we go back to the top, we can see the Explore sidebar. The Explore sidebar has additional links to related articles and related subjects. To get back to the drug legalization homepage, we can either click Previous Page or Drug Legalization in the breadcrumbs. Scrolling down, each section has specific types of curated sources. Again, all these sources have to do with the topic of drug legalization. You will see that the boxes only show a few sources. However, the headings at the top of the box show how many more sources are available. So if we click the heading, we can see all of those articles. To go back to that homepage to see the other sources, we simply click Drug Legalization in the breadcrumbs. Good luck and enjoy your researching.